I'm going to show you how do you cancel an OnlyFans subscription. So to do that, firstly, just open up OnlyFans, log into your OnlyFans account. So once you've logged into your OnlyFans account here, click on your profile, which is on your bottom right there. So go to your profile. So tap on it, and from there select your following list. Tap on the following list. So here you will see all the ones that you have subscribed. Okay, so for example, I've got this account here that I'm subscribed to. So to cancel the subscription, all we have to do is simply tap on the account that you want to unsubscribe or cancel. So just tap on it, and then here you will see there is a subscription option there. Simply tap on the subscribed option here, and here it's going to ask you why you want to cancel it. So you can like give a reason why you want to cancel it. Okay, you can do that, and once you give a reason, and all you have to do is hit on unsubscribe, and this will now unsubscribe, which means cancel the subscription for you. So as you can see now, there you go, I've already canceled it, so it's nothing on my list now. And this is how actually you cancel your subscription. It's a very simple and easy process.